Camping in the Great Smoky Mountains, Cades Cove Campground, Townsend, Tennessee. We made our reservations 6 months in advance. It is a very scenic and enjoyable drive from Townsend to Cades Cove. On occasion driving in, we have seen black bear along the side of the road. Now we register our arrival with the ranger at their office. We then proceed to our reserved site in Section B, as in baby. After arriving at our campsite, Lynn takes the driver's seat and she will do the backing and maneuvering while I do the spotting on the ground. There is not any internet or cell service in this area, so we communicate using walkie-talkies. They work excellent. After backing all the way into the concrete slab, we adjust the level from left to right, then chock the tires, disconnect from the truck, and adjust front to back, then set the stabilizer jacks. The primitive site is without shore power, so I set up my ZAMP 230-watt portable solar panels to charge my two 12-volt batteries. I also set up my Champion 4650-watt 30-amp propane inverter generator. Section B, where we are camping, allows generator use between the hours of 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. My next activity is to bring in 20 gallons of potable water, which I use with the portable tanks, and I get the potable water from the fresh water supply and dumping station in Section C. Read and pay attention to the warning signs so that you get potable water and not contaminated water. Section B and C, there's a little bit of wooded area, and it is just a very pretty place to camp. It is primitive camping as we enter the area Section B in which we are camping. During previous campouts, we have had black bear in the campground and big old bucks walking right through the camping area. This is our setup here. I have my ZAMP solar 230-watt portable, charging my 12-volt batteries during the day. And generally, when there's plenty of sunshine like today, that is enough to charge the batteries, and I do not need to use the generator. Beautiful setup here. We're in B43. The first time we camped here in Cades Cove Campground, Great Smoky Mountains, we were in a 2-room tent. It was a wonderful time for me. Lynn said, never again in a tent, which is why we now have a 27-foot travel trailer. She doesn't mind glamping, camping in her travel trailer here at Cades Cove, where she has her own bathroom, her own hot showers, and her own kitchen, plus a comfortable bedroom with its own privacy and comfortable mattress to sleep on. This is a primitive campground, no shore power, no potable water, no sanitary sewer on site, but it is not boondocking. Boondocking usually implies self-contained RV remote camping, undeveloped areas like BLM or forest lands, focusing on being off-grid. And Lynn and I really enjoy camping here and have been doing so for many years. When driving through the campground, Lynn and I see hammocks, tents, pop-ups, small trailers to large trailers, fifth wheels, Class C and Class A units. We observe how others are camping and discuss how we can improve what we are doing to enjoy our camping experience. Here in Cades Cove, we do have flushing toilet facilities, potable water, sanitary sewer nearby, a camp store with basic camping supplies, food, ice, coffee, and ice cream. Well, Grammy, here we are again at Cades Cove. And what year is this?
This is July of 2025.
And what is our temperature here in July?
It's around 75 degrees. It's beautiful.
It is wonderful.
Sunny.
This fire pit's strictly for beauty, not heat.
Correct.
And, well, we've been here since yesterday, spent last night. And what have we seen so far here in the Cades Cove Loop?
We saw a bear this morning and 12 deer.
Wow, and did we see a bear yesterday?
We did. We saw 2 bears yesterday.
2 bears yesterday. We did Rich Mountain Road.
Right.
We saw a bear. And then we did a loop. And we saw a bear. So we're having a real good time. And today we have 2 guests coming here. Who's going to join us today?
My sister Sharon and my niece Kristen.
And that'll be a lot of fun. So we'll keep you up to date. We got our Blackstone here behind us, all set for cooking. Our Mallard, that 2018 Mallard that we've got, and been enjoying it ever since. So we'll keep you up to date on our camp out here at Cades Cove. We enjoyed our stay here at Cades Cove, July 2025. Thank you for watching Adventures of Charlie and Lynn, our YouTube channel.